What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today we have a vlog style what I eat in a day. I'm gonna be showing you guys every single thing that I eat today. So for today I'm super busy. I have a lot of content that I have to prepare this week. Things always tend to get kind of like busy in the first and second week of December because I do like to take the last 2 weeks of December off. So I always have to like get all of my work done. So today is really busy. I have a lot of editing to do and a lot of like behind the scenes stuff. But I figured I will take you guys with me throughout my day and show you what I'm eating for weight loss. A lot of you guys know from my last video that I am back in a calorie deficit. I haven't been in a serious calorie deficit in a while, but I have been back in my deficit now for about 2 weeks. So I'm excited to, get back on this journey and lose the rest of my weight. So as always, I like to share with you guys my weight loss progress and all of the meals that I like to eat for weight loss, which are really calorie deficit friendly. But yeah, so I'll just be around the house all day and I will share with you guys every single thing that I'm eating. Why is Sugar Baby climbing on the kitchen cabinets? He always wants to come on the countertops. Like, I only let him do that in the bathroom, so I don't know why he's thinking he could do that in the kitchen right now. Anyways, yeah, I will share with you guys every single thing that I eat today. So for breakfast this morning, to be real with you guys, I'm really busy and I kind of woke up a little bit late because I went to bed really late last night. I woke up at 10, but it's 11 a.m. right now, so I really just need to get straight to work. I don't have any time to turn on the stove and make any breakfast right now, okay? We don't got time for that. So I want to give a huge shout out to Kenco for sponsoring today's video. They make the most amazing instant smoothies. You can get them right to your door, so it makes it super easy and convenient. You guys know I am huge on convenience because money is time, baby, and we gotta make that shmoney. Okay, we don't have time. No, but seriously, I just love how less time consuming it is. You don't have to take out your blender and put all your smoothies, even though I love doing that. Don't get me wrong, even though I love doing that, it's just great to not have an excuse to not have your fruits, because anytime I'm busy, I always just use that as an excuse, like, oh, I don't have time. But you have no excuse with Kenco because everything is instant. I know a lot of people are kind of worried with that stuff because they feel like, oh, maybe it's not as good, it's not as nutritious as eating real fruit. It definitely is. I know this is like super techie, but this is a really important fact. I think they use the same freeze, slow dry technology as NASA uses, and everything is 100% organic. You're getting all your nutrients still, so don't let it deter you away and be like, oh my god, it's in a packet, is it bad? It's 100% like you're getting all your nutrients and it's instant, like I said, so you don't have to waste time, especially for a lot of you guys who are moms, or if you're always on the go and you have a really busy lifestyle. That's going to be perfect for you because you can literally take them in your bag, put them in your purse, and all you need to add with it is water. Also, I wanna mention that there are no added sugars. It is 100% organic, no preservatives, which is really important. So I just wanted to quickly pop on here and let you guys know you can actually get 10% off your first order with Kenco using the link in the description box down below. So my favorite one is the reds. I love how they're all color coordinated too. This one has strawberries, raspberries, banana, apple, dates, chia seeds, and ginger. And I love that because a lot of these things I wouldn't even put in my own smoothie if I were to make it. Like, I don't take ginger and chia seeds and put it in my smoothie. I'm just too lazy for that, being 100% honest. So I love how I can get the nutrients. Usually I use water to be real, but I really want to try it with milk today and show you guys my favorite milk recently. Okay, so this milk was so good. I was a little bit skeptical about it, to be honest with you, because it's actually pea protein. Most of you guys probably know pea protein just does not taste good, but this tastes so good and it's unsweetened. And I love how it has 8 grams of protein, so that's awesome. So I'm actually gonna try mixing that in today and see how it tastes, because that way I can add some extra protein to my breakfast. Okay, update, it tastes so good with the milk. It gives it like a very smoothie, like ice cream type of taste. Like when you just add it with milk instead of water. So good, I love it. And throughout the day, I always make sure to have my water next to me. I drink roughly like 3 liters of water a day. So yeah, it's super important for your skin and just your health. So I always make sure to have my water with me. Do you guys like my blue light glasses? I wear these glasses while I'm editing because they really help me not get migraines and headaches from staring at the screen so much. I don't know why my voice is stuffy all of a sudden, my nose is stuffy. Not sure, but anyways, I'm editing right now and these glasses really help. They're actually from Key Australia. They really help me not get a headache from staring at my phone screen all day and staring at the computer screen while editing. So yeah, I'm actually in the office right now editing, and I have been loving working in the office, you guys. Like, having an office in the new house has really been amazing. Like, I used to edit a lot just sitting on the couch or like the kitchen island, which I still like doing, but I feel like I can focus so much more just being in this closed office, and this is just the space where you can work. Like, it feels really good. But I've also really been liking to work in the dark more. Like in the office, I'll come and I'll just take the remote. I know my voice is stuffy, and I'll close the blinds and like make it kind of dark in here, and I don't know, it really helps my focus. That's the blinds closing right now. Yeah, it really helps my focus. Like, I never thought I would like working in the dark because I love, and I'll just stop it there. Oops. And yeah, like I love natural light so much. Like in my house, I always open up all of the windows. I want to see all of the natural light. But for the office, it actually has helped me focus. Putting the blackout blinds down and having it really dark in here, I've been really liking it. But yeah, I'm just organizing my oh my god, I was gonna say I'm just editing my organizing my entire closet video, because that video has to go up tonight. Like, schedule wise, it just has to go up tonight, so I'm trying to finish that now. And I think it's like 1 o'clock right now. I'm starting to slowly get a little bit hungry, so I'm going to head into the kitchen soon to probably make some lunch. But right now I'm just so focused on work, I want to get to editing, so I'll probably head there in like half an hour, maybe another hour. Just gonna put my little glasses back on. I've never worn glasses my entire life, so yeah. But these actually really help. I don't get headaches and I don't get migraines anymore. So it's lunchtime now, it's about 1:30, and I am getting hungry. So I decided I'm gonna make my vegan tacos. Well, they're not really vegan because I sprinkle cheese on them, but they're meatless. So I guess we can just say meatless tacos, but you can totally make them vegan, just don't put sour cream and just put like vegan cheese or whatever. But anyways, besides the point. By the way, I am going to be doing eventually a organizing fridge video. So stay tuned for that, because right now it's not completely organized. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna be using the Beyond Meat Burger. I absolutely love them. I have one left from the package that I used like 2 days ago, so I am going to use that one. I'm so obsessed with them that I keep them like on deck, like stocked up in my fridge. Like, I love them so much. So for these meatless tacos, I actually learned this recipe from HelloFresh. Shout out to HelloFresh. You guys know I love them. Like, love them so much. I actually learned this recipe from them. It was one of the recipes I got, and I'm so obsessed with this. I've made this so many times. You guys have seen this in a vlog, or like you guys have seen this like 2-3 times in vlogs on the vlog channel. So yeah, I'm gonna make it again because I just absolutely love it. There's beans in it, it's really good. So the first thing I'm just gonna do is start up the stove. And then I always just like to get all of my ingredients out of the fridge. It just makes it easier, and I can have everything on the counter. So the first thing you're gonna need is some chopped onions, which I already have pre-chopped and I have in this reusable bag. We love an environmentally friendly queen. And then beans, you're gonna need black beans. You're going to need some corn and some salsa, which I have made myself. This is just tomatoes, red onions, and some lime juice with a little bit of black pepper. You're actually technically also supposed to put cilantro, but it just goes so bad. Cilantro goes so bad, and I don't use that much of it, so it just never makes sense. So I just stopped buying it, and I don't put it in there anymore, even though it's really good with it. And you're gonna need some garlic. You're also gonna need some tortillas, so get those out. Some cheese, double cheddar because I like cheddar, and some sour cream, and I always get the light low-fat one. So I love this spray bottle that I got from Amazon. I showed it in my home decor haul. Actually, Steph recommended this to me. It's really good. You can control your oil portions. You can literally save like hundreds of calories by just using spray oil rather than dumping and pouring oil. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm just going to add some garlic and some red onions and let that saute a little bit. And this is on medium heat, by the way. A little bit of garlic. Quick mention about tortillas. These are the tortillas that I'm using, but I do want to mention to you guys, honestly, your best bet is to go to the grocery store and find the lowest calorie tortillas available. I actually have ones that I get from Metro, and the ones from Metro are 70 calories per tortilla. So I actually save 40 calories in total since I eat 2. So that one's way better. But I haven't been to Metro in a few weeks. So this is just the one that I have in my fridge right now. I'm actually gonna go soon so that I can save some calories with the other ones. But yeah, just go to your grocery store, find the ones with the best macros and the best calories, and that's just your best bet. So once that starts sizzling, you're gonna wanna put your meatless vegan burger patty on there. And then this is a seasoning that you're gonna need. Excuse the bottle like this. You guys know I love to organize all my seasonings, but my pantry, my seasoning rack, and my fridge is just not organized yet. I will be doing videos organizing all that. So it's not organized yet, but you're gonna need some paprika, some chili, some cayenne, some salt, and black pepper, and that's pretty much it. Most important part of this is the chili, so do not be shy with the chili powder. Like literally don't be shy, add a ton of chili powder. It just makes it taste so good. You can add about half the amount of paprika that you did, or even a quarter amount of the paprika that you did for the chili. The chili is like the main one, and then a little bit of cayenne because it's kind of spicy. If you like it super spicy, add more, but I'm good with it like that. This is my favorite way to break up the burger and make it into like a ground meat, is to use the spatula? Why can't I say that word? Anyways, use the flat one and you can break it in like that. It's very easy to break it down with this flat one. And you just kind of keep going at it until it looks like ground meat now. Then you're gonna take your black beans and just add a little bit. Or add, whoa, that's way too much. Okay, so something like that, or just however much you want, I guess. Add some corn. And now all you're gonna do is just let it kind of get browned and a little bit crispy, or if you like it less crispy, then you know, you just do it to however you like it. Major tip of mine, you guys, is whenever you're cooking, keep the dishwasher open. That way it makes it so easy and so convenient, and then you don't have to have any dishes in your sink. So I absolutely love that. That's like a huge tip of mine. Every single time I'm cooking now, I leave my dishwasher open. I am so addicted to these, you guys. This is all I've been eating for lunch for like literally the past few weeks. Like I'm not even kidding, every single day. So now it's starting to kind of like get crispy. So as it's starting to get crispy, what you're gonna wanna do is start heating up your tortillas. And the way that I heat them up is just directly on the stove. I will just put it on low heat, and then I will literally just let my tortillas heat up on the stove. Just make sure you watch them because they will burn quickly, or just put them on very low heat, like, you know, you have to kind of keep a close eye on them because I have burnt my fair share of tortillas before, let's just say that. So there's always extra and enough to make a third taco, but I don't make a third taco just because I want to save calories and not have like a third tortilla. But what I usually do is I'll actually eat this on its own on the side. For now, because I want to take a nice little photo of it, I'm not going to do that, but just know after I take the photo, I'm going to put that on the side and also eat that as well, just without the tortilla, no third taco. A little bit of cheese. I honestly don't put a lot of cheese. Then some salsa, and then some sour cream. And that's it, you guys. Look at how delicious that looks. Like I said, this is all I've been eating for lunch, literally, for the past few weeks. I'm not even joking. Okay, so it's 6:30, so I'm about to make dinner. I have water boiling because I'm going to make pasta. So this is 1 cup of penne pasta, and then I'm also going to make some chicken with it. And this is one of my favorite pasta sauces ever. So good, vodka sauce. Okay, so I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to use this like indoor grill whenever I wanted to grill chicken or anything like that. I was at HomeSense one time and I kind of noticed this and I thought, well, that's actually pretty cool because you don't have to have like this huge big thing to grill your chicken on. So now I just use this I think it's cast iron. So now I just use this cast iron pan, and this is what I use to grill my chicken. And it's really cool because the handle actually folds in. I'll see if I can find an alternative for you guys on Amazon. Spraying a little bit of oil. And the way that I cut the chicken breast is really thin because one, it cooks easier, and two, I just like eating chicken like when it's thin. I really don't like thick pieces of chicken. So I just cut it really thin. And I think honestly all I'm gonna put is salt, black pepper, and garlic, and that's literally it. All right, so I'm just gonna put the chicken directly on the grill. For some reason, anytime I'm, ooh, that sizzle. Anytime I'm having chicken with pasta, I don't really like to season it with like a bunch of different seasonings. I just like salt and black pepper and maybe a little bit of garlic. I'm not gonna have all this chicken today, by the way, but I figured I would just make it all right now, and that way it can kind of be meal prepped. So I'm gonna start heating up a pan because this is where I am going to heat up the sauce, but I'm also going to saute some frozen spinach. So I added the spinach in there, and then I put just a little bit of salt and black pepper, and then I'm just gonna let that saute. All right, so I just added some sauce in there, and then I'm just gonna let that slowly heat up. Sorry for the noisy fan, but I just went ahead and added the pasta in, and I'm just gonna let that sit until the chicken is done cooking. This is honestly a really fast and easy dinner, especially if you already have chicken on hand. Literally such an easy dinner, and all I'm gonna do is add some cheese on top. I like a lot of cheese, okay? We don't judge. And then take some pieces of chicken, put them on there. And then that is pretty much it, you guys. Look how delicious that looks. So good, I cannot wait to dig in. Okay, so you guys know me, I always need something sweet at the end of my dinner because I have a really bad sweet tooth. I have my entire life just been obsessed with sweets, especially chocolate. I'm a huge chocolate lover. Like, I will eat anything if you put chocolate in it, straight up. So I've actually really been liking this. This is dark chocolate with almonds. So here's my thing. If I buy a dark chocolate bar, I won't devour the whole thing because I'm not crazy about dark chocolate. It tastes good. It satisfies my craving, but it's not like the most amazing thing ever. I definitely prefer milk chocolate. So that way I can actually control myself when I buy this. If I buy the milk chocolate, I am not joking, I will devour it within under a minute. So I just don't buy that one. But this one makes a really good like snack, and like I said, I can control myself more. This one has almonds and I actually really like it. I'll usually just have about 4 squares at nighttime, and then that's enough for me. Like, do you see how good that looks right there though? I'm actually gonna put this in a bag, that way it doesn't go bad. All right, so then that's it, you guys. I'll literally just break off 1 row and I'll have this. I love this one because it has the almonds in it and it just gives it a nice little something something, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me just actually talk to you guys, even though I look a little cray. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, what I eat in a day. I love just kind of vlogging for the entire day and sharing what I eat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. With my chocolate.